Hey guys, this is Adi Austin. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have another unboxing for you guys, and this is another Metal Fight Beyblade unboxing, and this is a limited edition Earth Aquilla 105HF S, which is an event special Beyblade which is very rare right now. So yeah, the Earth Aquilla, and this is actually a very nice and limited edition of this Beyblade, which has a crystal white colored clear wheel. Really nice. So Earth is obviously one of the best metal wheels to get for the standard or the limited Metal Fight Beyblade competitions, which is really nice, and it is one of the top tier in the stamina based combos. Really nice. You should definitely try and get your hands on one of these metal wheels. Pretty cool. So let's take a look at the box first. So this is the front of the box and the sides and the back. Okay, cool. So I've got my unboxing knife ready right here. So let's unbox this and see how our Beyblade looks like. More tape. Okay. Okay, there you go. These are the stickers. All the clear parts, really nice. And this is our Beyblade with a metal face. Really sick looking Beyblade, guys. Really nice. Wow, this looks absolutely amazing. Gotta love this color. Really pretty. Wow. And look at this brand new metal face. Shining. Super awesome. Yeah. So let's take out all our other parts. The stickers, very nice. So I'll just put on all the stickers and be right back. So yeah, welcome back guys. I've put on all the stickers, and yeah, very nice stickers, and this Beyblade looks super amazing. This purple color looks really sick. So anyways, let's assemble our Beyblade and see how it looks. So many clear parts in this. Really love it. Here you go. Earth Aquilla 100 HFS. Really nice. So yeah guys, that's it for today's unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any combo requests or battle requests, please do let me know in the comment section below. And as always guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Stay awesome.